Hello everyone, this is Christian from Global Reach, and today's tutorial is about how to connect Google Search Console to Google Analytics 4. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Google Analytics 4 property and open up the home page. This is a tutorial property, so there's no data coming in here, but this will be directly applicable to your Google Analytics 4 account. So once you're at your home page, you want to navigate down here to the admin section. And once you're in the admin section, you will have a bunch of subsections, and you want to point your attention toward the product links section. So this section is where you would go to connect any of your Google properties, so Google Ads, BigQuery, Account Manager, Google Search Console, things like that. This is where you come to do that. And I highly recommend just connecting any other Google property that you have. If you have an ads account, I highly recommend connecting that. If you have any other account that allows connectivity with Google Analytics, highly recommend doing that. So in this case, we're looking for Google Search Console. So I'm going to go down over here to the Google Search Console section here. And what you'll need here is you will need a fully functional and set up Google Search Console account. And you want to make sure that your Google Search Console and your Google Analytics are under the same email. So if you have the same email added as either an owner or an administrator or an editor to both profiles, you'll be able to do this. So currently we have no Google Search Console links because we haven't linked anything up to this property. What you want to do is click on link, and there's going to be 3 steps broken down here. So you'll have the option to choose the Search Console property that you want. You're going to want to select the stream you want to apply it to, and you want to just review and submit it and confirm your settings. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Google Search Console property that I want, and I will be right back. So as you can see, I've selected globalreach.com as my website. If you only have one website in your Google Search Console account, this will take seconds. If you have many URLs, you may have to sort through them and find them. But here I've already selected globalreach.com, and it is a URL prefix. And I'm going to click Next. And here I only have one web stream on my Google Analytics 4 property, so I'm just going to select my one web stream. I'm going to click Next, and then I am going to now click Submit and confirm that this is my Google Analytics 4 account. So as you can see here, it says link created. So now my Google Search Console and my Google Analytics 4 property are connected. So now I want to talk about a cool feature that you can access once these two platforms are connected. So let's jump over to our main Google Analytics 4 property, and I'll show you exactly what the feature is. Okay, so welcome to our main Google Analytics 4 property. As you can see, there is data here because this is not a tutorial property, it is a fully functional property. So the cool thing about having Google Search Console connected already is that you'll be able to go down to the report section and go to Search Console and click on Queries. And once you're on the queries page, what you're able to see is you're able to see what people are searching for to find you on Google. Now, this is something that you can already access on Google Search Console, but it is a lot more convenient and a lot more interesting to have it built into your Google Analytics 4 property. So this is a cool feature of having Google Search Console and Google Analytics 4 linked, is that you'll be able to look at your queries and kind of compare it directly with the other reports on Google Analytics. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. I hope you now know how to connect your properties and how to use that connection by using the queries feature and other reports. So thanks a ton for watching. Please subscribe and watch any other tutorials on our page.